नमस्कार देवी और सज्जनों, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट और दोस्त विधि, कैमरामैन मार्शी के साथ लाइव पीडीयू से। और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में। एज वी ऑल नो कि एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की बारिश जो हमारे देश में हो रही है उसमें सब लोग भीग रहे हैं। बच्चों से लेकर बड़ों तक सभी को एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में आगे जाना है। तो इसी से रिलेटेड हम आज आए हैं कुछ फ्रेशीज के मिलने, जो लोग एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के बारे में क्या जानते हैं और उनके विचार क्या है, चलिए जानते हैं।
I am Rutvika, studying in first year in PDU.
Okay, Rutvika. So first question for you is, why do you think there are fewer female entrepreneurs in India?
ओके, सो एज वी नो कि हमारी कंट्री में पहले से फीमेल्स को हम थोड़ा बैकवर्ड्स मान रहे हैं कि वो कुछ ज़्यादा कर नहीं सकती, तो उन्हें फैमिली का सपोर्ट नहीं मिलता। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरीवन, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द केसेस में यही होता है। और हम फीमेल्स हैं वो थोड़ा सेफ प्ले करना पसंद करती है, और एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में रिस्क ज़्यादा होते हैं, सो दैट कुड बी अ रीज़न।
Okay. What's your dream entrepreneurial role? CEO, founder of something, or anything else?
ओके, सो एज आई एम लाइक मेरी लीडरशिप क्वालिटी ज़्यादा है, सो आई वुड लव टू बी CEO ऑफ एनी कंपनी इफ आई कुड बी।
Okay. And what do you think is more important for a startup? A great product or a great team?
Both, because without great product your startup will be flop, and without great team you cannot work efficiently, so both is important.
Okay, Rutvika, it was pleasure having you. Thank you so much.
So here we have another freshie with us. So first introduce yourself.
Myself, Pranav Soneya. I am from ICT branch and first year.
So what do you think what are the first steps you should take to start your own business?
पहले तो अपना खुद का बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए पहले तो हमारे पास एक आइडिया होना चाहिए।
Okay.
और हमको पहले मार्केट में देखना चाहिए कि क्या डिमांड है और हम कैसे सप्लाई कर सकते हैं।
Okay.
और खास करके पहले हमारे कोई नया स्टार्टअप शुरू करना है तो पहली चीज़ है फंड्स।
Okay.
तो फंड्स के लिए हम शार्क टैंक जैसी मंच पर जा सकते हैं। यहाँ पे हमारा पिच और वो सब दिखा गया, अगर वो लोग लाइक करें तो वो लोग फंड रेस करेंगे।
How important is the networking?
नेटवर्किंग तो देखो सब जगह इम्पोर्टेंट ही है।
Okay.
लेकिन बिजनेस में क्या हमारा फायदा मिलेगा कि अगर मेरा एक बिजनेस मैंने स्टार्ट किया, मेरा एक फ्रेंड है
Yeah.
वो भी इस फील्ड में ही है, तो वो मुझे 2 लोग सजेस्ट करेगा, 2 कस्टमर सजेस्ट करेगा, मुझे उसका फायदा मिलेगा, मेरा फायदा उसको मिलेगा। ऐसा सिनर्जी इफेक्ट होगा, सबको एक दूसरे को फायदा मिलेगा। ऐसे नेटवर्किंग इम्पोर्टेंट है।
So between great product and great team, what do you think which one is more important for starting a startup?
वैसे तो दोनों इम्पोर्टेंट है, लेकिन एक बेस्ट प्रोडक्ट वो तो इम्पोर्टेंट है ही, क्योंकि हमें मार्केट में देखना है कि क्या डिमांड है और हम वो कैसे सप्लाई कर सकते हैं उस प्रोडक्ट की।
तो आपको अगर आपके स्टार्टअप के लिए सबसे पहले फंड रेज करना है तो आपके फर्स्ट स्टेप्स क्या होंगे इसके लिए?
फंड रेस करने के लिए तो पहले तो मुझे मेरी कंपनी का पूरा एवेल्यूशन सब निकालना होगा ऑन पेपर। बाद में मुझे ऐसे लोग चुनने होंगे जो इस फील्ड में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं, अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करके
Okay.
दूसरों को चांस देना चाहते हैं। बाद में वहाँ पे मैं अपना सब दिखाऊंगा, अपना सब बिजनेस का आइडिया और वो सब। अगर वो लोग लाइक करेंगे तो वो फंड देंगे।
I have a new freshie with us. So please introduce yourself.
So I am Krisha from CIC division.
Okay, so my very first question to you is, who is an entrepreneur?
So entrepreneur is someone who starts and operates a business system and takes financial risk and manages all the risk and problems and situations and tackles with them.
And another question is, what skills do you think are essential for an entrepreneur?
Mainly 2 skills, probably leadership and creativity. So the person should have the capability of taking the risk and handle the situations well. He should be a good decision taker.
Okay. Thank you.
Now next participant, introduce yourself.
Yeah, so I'm Hit Ajmeri from Petroleum.
What do you think is the most important for a startup?
एक स्टार्टअप के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट मैं यही कहूँगा कि द प्रोडक्ट इज़ नेसेसरी, बट ऑल्सो द टीम विच इज़ वर्किंग इन दैट स्टार्टअप। बिकॉज अगर टीम अच्छी रहेगी तो ऑब्वियसली वो प्रोडक्ट को सेल्स करने में, एग्जीक्यूशन लेने में, मैनेजमेंट लेने में बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा। इसलिए आई गेस द टीम इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इन दैट थिंग।
So next question is, if you were to raise money for a startup, what would be the first thing you do?
Okay, so if I want to raise money for the startup, I would prepare a pitch. I would prepare every details of the company, and I would go to potential fundraisers. Okay, I will go to them. I will ask. I will pitch the thing. I will show the potential of the company, and yeah, I would like that take the money from them.
Why do you think entrepreneurship is important for society?
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप जो है वो सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज इससे ही हमें बहुत नए नए आइडियाज़ बहुत इनोवेटिव चीज़ें देखने को मिलती है लाइक जेप्टो है मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं नॉट कॉन से बट हाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो नई नई अभी आई है बिकॉज ऑफ एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप तो या
So next question is, what's the difference between a small business and a startup?
स्मॉल बिजनेस जो होता है बेसिकली वो ट्राई करता है कि वो एक स्टेबल ग्रोथ में रहे या तो फिर वो उसी पेस पे रहे वैसे अगर बड़े बड़े स्टार्टअप्स होते हैं बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें होती है वो ट्राई करते हैं कि पूरी मार्केट जो है पूरी मोनोपोली उनके हाथ में ले ले सो उसकी वजह से
So myself Supriti Pal and I'm from first year BTech CSBS branch.
Okay. So tell me why there are very few females entrepreneurs in India.
The reason behind it is like the nature of woman is like something around like introvert type, which actually is not an entrepreneurship skill. And for entrepreneurship, we require the extrovert, the thing we are actually in having that.
If you could only work on your startup during the weekends, how would you balance it with your studies?
Like see, if we just maintain a disciplined schedule, then the study is its own place, and to have a startup with that, it is in own place. So if it's our dream, we will work it on that to achieve our dream.
So my name is Mayur Chauhan. I currently study in EC from PDU.
सो आपके लिए पहला सवाल ये है कि व्हाट स्किल्स डू यू थिंक आर एसेंशियल फॉर बीइंग एन एंटरप्रेन्योर
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप के लिए सबसे पहले तो हमें हिम्मत चाहिए और दूसरा तो डेडिकेशन और अपना ग्रुप होना चाहिए कि जिसके साथ हम काम कर सके और अच्छे इन्वेस्टर होने चाहिए
इफ यू हैड $1 million व्हाट बिजनेस वुड यू स्टार्ट
सो आई स्टार्ट माई ओन कॉलेज और academic center where we study UPSC or GPSC or extra other exams like NET, SLAT or many more like advanced, GATE.
Please introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Ananya Sharma, and yeah, ask me the questions.
So, what skills do you think are essential for an entrepreneur?
I think it's mainly literacy in financial department, problem solving skills, and more of like social leadership qualities. Yeah, that's the main reason.
And can you name me some famous entrepreneurs?
Some famous entrepreneurs. One is Elon Musk, obviously. Second is Steve Jobs, and third is Jeff Jacobs. Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
सो नाउ वी हैव अनदर फ्रेशी विद अस प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ
मेरा नाम हर्ष है और मैं सिविल फर्स्ट ईयर से हूँ
सो फॉर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप अकॉर्डिंग टू यू
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप इज लाइक अ प्रोसेस जिसमें है ना हम कोई पर्सन पहले सोसाइटी की प्रॉब्लम देखता है कि उस सोसाइटी में क्या प्रॉब्लम है फिर उसको सॉल्व करने के लिए वो अपनी क्रिएटिविटी यूज़ करता है
ओके सो who are your favorite entrepreneurs whom you admire
माय फेवरेट एंटरप्रेन्योर इज स्टीव जॉब्स
one last question for you if you had $1 million what business would you start
कार डीलरशिप
and why do you
because I have a great interest in cars and all.
okay thank you so much
Please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Amrita from Chemical Engineering, first year.
Okay, so tell me the difference between ECEL and an entrepreneurship club.
As far as I know, ECEL is more related to connecting students from a college with entrepreneurship skills. And the club focuses more on developing skills based on entrepreneurship.
Okay, so tell me who is your favorite entrepreneur?
Narayan Murthy,
So why is he?
I would say because he co-founded Infosys, which was the first Indian company to be listed on American Stock Exchange.
Okay. Thank you. So hello, we have a new freshie with us. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, myself Swarupa. I'm in EC first year.
Okay, my very first question to you is what does a startup means to you?
Startup means an established business which generally focuses on newly products and services.
Okay, so another question is why do you think entrepreneurship is very important for our society?
We can create new jobs, increase our GDP, and also we can show up our new creativity in the business field.
Okay, thank you.
So here we are, next participant. Introduce yourself.
My name is Rudraksh Tiwari and I am from Computer Science Department, Division 3, first year.
So your first question is, what's the most important quality an entrepreneur should have?
The first quality that I think entrepreneurs should have is like do not fear from the failures. The first quality, and do not fall back because whenever if you will not try, you don't know how to fail. Because if you don't know how to fail, you don't know how to achieve. Because for a certain thing, there are many ways to achieve it, and there are also many ways to fail. So for a particular thing and or for a particular motive, you have to try. You don't know the method, it's okay, but you still have to try your best and give it all you have got.
How do you come up with a business idea?
The question you have asked is like for a business you need to know what's the problem and how can we fix it. So to fix the problem we should analyze what's the need of people, and for this there is two cases. You solve the problem successfully but the solution is not feasible, and you solve, and the second case is you solve the problem but the solution is feasible. So you need to analyze the market, the requirements of people also, and to keep in mind these all things. That's how the business idea of entrepreneur came.
इसी के कंटिन्यूशन में नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहूंगा जो व्हाट एडवाइस वुड यू गिव टू समवन स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू बिजनेस?
For a new business, you need to be patient. You need to have patience, and failures will come. Don't let your morale down because if you're starting something new, you can't be a master. For example, if you start coding, you are not the master. You start from printf, not with the structures or the file handling. So whenever you start something, you should have that patience, and for to be in the flow or a rhythm, you should practice and devote yourself and heart and your soul to that thing, and keep your spirit always high. That's what I think.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, hello everyone. Today we have another freshie with us. So please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Yogi Makwana from Computer Engineering, first year student.
So what do you think is the main prime reason for luxury brands like Louis Vuitton or Chanel that why such brands do not exist in India?
I think they don't exist in India because there are less people in India who wear such a branded things or they don't afford such things.
Okay. So in future, if you were to open some luxury brand like this in India, which actress would you like to feature as your brand ambassador?
I would like Shraddha Kapoor to represent my brand because she has, I think, has a little bit of idea about entrepreneurship.
Okay. So who are the some famous entrepreneurs whom you admire?
I think I admire Elon Musk.
Thank you. So here we have another freshie with us. So please introduce yourself.
My name is Richa Patel
Yeah.
and I am studying in computer science.
So in your opinion, what's the major problem that entrepreneurs face in today's time?
It is a financial instability and some startups starts very frequently but they are failed.
So like while starting a startup, what do you think which is more important, a great product or a great team?
Both are crucial but a great team is more important.
Okay, so who is the famous entrepreneur that you admire?
Alok Pandey and Jeff Bezos.
Okay, thank you. So here we have another freshie with us. So please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Haryaksh and I am pursuing BSc Physics and I am in first year.
So what does basically entrepreneurship mean to you?
So I think that entrepreneurship, what entrepreneurship means is that to understand the needs of the market and based on that to implement an idea to get maximum monetary output and product output.
So what do you think? What are the basic skills required to become an entrepreneur?
I think the skills required to be an entrepreneur is to be imaginative, to get creative ideas that are also creative but they can also give a monetary output. and you should be resilient. You should not be moved by ups and downs, because it's a difficult thing.
And so, can you name some of the few famous entrepreneurs you know about?
Yeah, some of the famous entrepreneurs are Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Jeff Bezos.
And so, among all of these, whom do you admire the most?
Well, I admire Elon Musk the most because he started working he was an entrepreneur since the age of 13 when he sold his first video game. So, and he's built a very big empire called SpaceX, and he's done it alone. So, I think that's why I admire him the most.
Okay, great. Thank you.
So we have the next fresher with us. Kindly introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Parmal Priyansi and I am student of PDU.
Okay, so your first question is name any two entrepreneurs whom do you admire?
Vinita Singh and Anupam Mittal.
Okay, any particular reason behind taking their name?
I like their dedication in work and उनकी जो टेक्निक होती है वर्क करने की वो और उनका जो डेडिकेशन होता है, that's I like.
Thank you for your time.
So why do you think entrepreneurship is important for today?
एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप आज के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि आजकल बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को या फिर बहुत जो स्टार्टअप्स करके उनके पास बहुत सारे आइडियाज़ होते हैं, और आइडियाज़ को सोसाइटी के सामने लाने के लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, जो कि हम एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप में हम अपने आइडियाज़ रिफ्लेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
So can you name any famous entrepreneurs you admire?
या अमन गुप्ता एंड विनीता सिंह एंड मोर.
Hello, we have a new fresher with us. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Naya Ranjit Kumar from EC Division and first year.
So my very first question to you is, what does a startup means to you?
Startup means a newly established business which focuses on unique products, new and services.
And another one is, do you think anyone can be an entrepreneur?
Yes, anyone can be an entrepreneur if he or she have a mindset and have willing to learn new things.
Okay, so what skills do you think are essential for an entrepreneur?
An entrepreneur should be creative and means innovative and know how to do a publicity and all, which is very essential for our business.
Okay, thank you.
So we have our next freshie with us. Kindly introduce yourself.
Hello guys, myself Rutva Mehta from Electrical Engineering from first year.
So your first question is, why do you think entrepreneurship is important for our society?
Entrepreneurship is the most important thing for our society. It gives valuable persons to our country itself, India. It gives income, basic thing, which is more important, and the smart ideas which develop ourselves and the country.
Okay. So your second question is, if you had $1 billion, what business would you like to start?
Oh wow, $1 billion. First fun thing, Pani Puri ka stall. Just kidding, guys. It would be the thing which gives a good impression to our society and the people living in outskirts, which help them.
Okay. Third question is, what skills are essential for an entrepreneur?
Skills, the basic thing, the leadership, effective communication, and the confidence to have a business which you can start.
Fine, thank you.
Thank you.